Nico trying to eat beef with carrots. How's that? Nico, open your mouth. Ah. Ooh. Open your mouth. Ah. Ah. Did you eat it? What is that? Is that you swallowing it, or are you going, ugh, I hate it, get it off my mouth? No, don't make blue noises. Oop, making a mess. Let's try another bite. Ah, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Stuff it in there. Nico, don't spurt it out. Yuck. Most of it is on his bib, as you can see, and not in his mouth. Let's try another bite. Nico, you've got it on your shirt now. You just put that whole bite out. What are you doing? Oh, close your mouth and swallow. What are you doing? You just don't like this at all, do you? Is it yucky? Is that why you're doing that face? Is it yucky? Nico doesn't like beef? What is that? Open your mouth. You think it's funny that you don't like it. You think it's funny. It's funny then you spit all the food out of your mouth. It's very cute. You're cute.